my frenemies. But I just wanna let you know that the hatred should be no more. Let we go.
Your problem is bigger than mine, but you only run in your mouth. You gossiping day and night as if you know what you're talking about.
Like you like the gossip.
I don't have no peace of mind for the way you crying me down. Cheap talk and hypocrisy is what keeping you on the ground.
Right there you go stay.
You want to be my friend, he friend or she friend. You got to be my friend or no friend. Every time is the same thing all over again. Oh Lord, I want to sing a song of what I see going on. I sit down minding my business, trying to understand why they just keep on calling my name. They just calling my name. I'm trying to check it out. East, west, north and south. Why they so malicious? I feel I go knock them down.
I really tired with them, you know. I need some space. They're going too far no more.
You have to work really hard to make it up to the top. When you think you're trouble, stop, they're still stabbing you in the dark.